Ada. Leah.
I'm making a nap.
Are you filling up the peanuts?
Oh, this is cool. Oh, we actually do. I'm cutting peanuts. Mom. Oh, no, taste it, Dada. Mom, can you get some food?
Yeah.
No, look it. Mom,
Okay, I'll get her a cup, okay?
Mom,
I'll get her a cup. I'll get her a cup.
it's on.
Good job. Yummy?
It's hot. Can you go in? Finish my ketchup.
Here.
Look at her.
Wow. Wow. Can you go this for me, Mama?
Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here you go. Here you go. Adeline, here.
Hot.
Ada.
No, it's hot. It's hot.
Here, here, here.
Mm. Want to buy some jewelry? What kind?
This one.
That one?
The rainbow.
You like the rainbow one? Oh, great. Ada, what? We already bought it. Stop, you say? Why? Ada, let's go.
I want to go.
Ada, no, we already got it. We,
Let them see. That's totally good.
you like that? It's a baby.
One toy for you, one toy for your sister. Only, that's it.
And we'll come back tomorrow again.
One
Okay,
for you,
Leah.
one for your sister.
Ada, Okay, are we done?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, for it.
Yeah. Ada, let's go. Okay, let's go. Leah. Leah. Yes.
I need a lot of toys.
Wow, you bought a lot of toys.
Yeah.